What's going on, guys? Your boy G back at it again. It's gonna be a short one. Got the flock up there going, got these guys out here. That bird was lost for 5 days. This is its second day or third day back. So tomorrow the group is gonna be going on a training toss. I'm not working tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. And Saturday and Sunday. So we got a lot of action coming up. Hope they all make it back home. The sun is going down. They're over here on the overfly. These birds eat these poisonous leaves. They got me messed up. Get out of there. What's wrong with you? I don't care. I scare them. I really don't care. I don't care. There's a roller. Go fly with the flock. They don't go nowhere. They'll land again. So I'm gonna grab them all and put them in the front of the house with the crates. I think I'm gonna do that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Depending on how I feel. But they gotta go at least Saturday and Sunday. They're gonna go. They gotta get going, these birds. Enough is enough. And there goes. A lot of them are flying. A lot of them are. See, they just take off. They go. That group is not that big. You know, there's a lot of them up there with them. So, they're going. There's a bunch. See? Then I still have all these down here and some inside, and it's crazy. But it is what it is. Pretty soon, maybe 3 weeks, everybody be up doing what they doing. My club, we start in September, so I got plenty of time. You know, I got my main group going. This team here that I have here is mainly for backup. You know, I wanted to take it slower with them like I am. I got, you know, 40 birds, 30, 38 birds, you know, going good. And then I got these birds. Look at the white ones, they just take off. You know, they're taking off. They're going. There they go. See, they're going. Because that group is not that big. That's a big group. Imagine with all these birds. That's one big group. Woohoo! It's beautiful. Just watching them. They're going to come down. They want to come down and eat. That bird is always, never fails. Never. Right on the pad. Right in. Never fails. Let's see if she does that tomorrow. But yeah, guys, that's all I'm doing over here. Having the birds out. They're coming down one by one. They're scared of my my master stick over here. But like I said, I probably lost like 7 birds out of that group. I had a group nice going, flying up, and they just flew and never came back down, and they're still flying till today. You know, out somewhere. I don't understand how they're doing good. You know, they've been here flying around like these birds, just like that, and they just disappear. Just flyaways. That's all it is, flyaways. And there's nothing you can do about it. You know, I'm pretty sure they want to come home after the 3rd day being lost, but what are you gonna do? That white flight over there, where is he? Turn around. Turn around. He's from this coop over here. There he is. He's from this coop. What the hell, flying? Go fly, you and your mother and your grandma and everybody else. Get the hell out of my coop. Do something useful with you guys this time. Let's go. Tomorrow you guys are gonna have it tomorrow. Believe me. I'm gonna let you all have it. It's a beautiful thing. There's the white ones. Just landed. It's kind of hot out here, you know. They're flying. There's Broken Beak. Broken Beak is a legend. Boy's gonna be good. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You gotta ring that bell. Gotta ring that bell. They don't come. Cup. Come on. Let's go. Come on. They're in it. They're going in like, yeah, I'm gonna get fed. I'm gonna give them nice cold water. I'm gonna put some garlic, apple cider vinegar, some honey in the water. Yes, I am. For those that don't know, I have small birds. I have a separate channel that I mess with them. That's a whole bunch. I got babies. Excuse me. Got a bunch of babies in there. Where else? In here. We got, they're under the babies. That's called a trio. There's some babies. We got eggs. We got a whole bunch. This is what I do, guys. True birdman. True to the bone. To the bone. They're gonna get some garlic, honey, vinegar as well. Well, guys, I'm gonna cut this short. See y'all tomorrow.